kaya po kaya po kami nag-apply ng search warrant dyan because during the raid of Colonel Espinido, in which they were able to recover 11 kilos of shabu and several firearms. Not only firearms but bank documents involving 5.1 billion pesos in current account and another intact money of a fake corporation by his family named Blue Oceanic Corporation, found out by AMLA, amounting to 5.1 billion. This was pronounced by the former president. Na-check po ito, na positive yung pera na yan. Yung sinasabi niya magpapakatotoo siya, ba't hindi niya sa uli ang pera na yan? Ang dami niyang biktima.
Mr. Chair?
Then, the issuance po yung search warrant, kasi si Espinido po ang nag-raid, pero join kami as investigation team. So, we were the one who filed the case, kaya po lumabas ang warrant of arrest ni Mayor Espinosa at saka po ni Kerwin Espinosa. And during the issuance of warrant of arrest, hindi po si Judge Cabaluna ang nag-issue ng search warrant. Mali po yung sinasabi niya. Ang nag-issue ng search warrant, judge po ng Samar, si Judge Sabari.
Ay, nako.
Katapos, I'm stating here statements based on records and public records. Sa warrant of arrest na issue, Major Laraga filed application for search warrant because of an valid information that there were continuous of drug trade inside the Baybay City Jail.
See?
And some of the jail guards are involved.
Sige, Colonel Marcos.
Yung po ang dahilan bakit po kami nag-apply ng search warrant.
Bakit
kaya po
ini-interrupt?
namin in-implement yun. At saka yung sinasabi niya nag-face the wall, hindi po kami pinapapasok sa jail. Kaya po namin ni-restraint yung mga jail guard doon kasi they were armed. Armado po sila. Hindi kami pinapasok. We were forced to use bolt cutter, which is specified in the search warrant that we can break through if the search warrant issued by the judge is not honored.
Okay, sandali lang.
Yung po yung
sandali lang, Colonel.
Putang ina talaga nitong mga buhaya na to. Bakit nyo ini-interrupt? Ha? Hayaan nyo magsalita si Colonel kung ano ang totoo. Interrupt kayo ng interrupt. Yan yung problema sa kanila mga lods. Ewan ko, parang meron silang set up or plano na gustong mangyari. Na pag yung pinagdadala nila na witness or resource person na hindi, di ba, sumang-ayon yung mga sagot nila sa mga gustong plano ng mga buhaya na yan, i-interrupin nila. Di ba? Iaano nila. Diyos ko, halatang-halata mo talaga mga lods, no? Na may gusto silang mangyari. At ang gusto nilang mangyari, siraan ang former President Rodrigo Duterte at gusto nilang matatak sa mga tao na mali ang ginawang war on drugs ni Tatay Digong. Which is, alam naman natin na maraming nakinabang at maraming nagustuhan, no? Ang drug war ni Tatay Digong.